We are going to solve here one equation that is given x square minus y square is equal to 49, where one condition is given x y is greater than or equal to 0. So we have to find out the value of x and y in that equation. So let's see how we can find out the value of x and y in this equation. So this is our question, x square minus y square is equal to 49. Let's see solution. X square minus y square is equal to 49. We know one formula, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. We know this formula. Now we have to apply this formula here. So we can write this one, x minus y times x plus y is equal to 49. Now we have to find out the factor of 49. So let's see factor of 49 first. Factor of 49 is equal to, first factor is, we can say 7 times 7. 7 sevens are 49. Next we can say 1 times 49. And last one is 49 times 1. So we can consider this is case 1, case 2 and case 3. This is case 1, this is case 2 and this is case 3. Now we have to solve one by one this case. So we can write this one, x minus y times x plus y is equal to, you can mention here, this is case 1. X minus y times x plus y is equal to 7 times 7. 7 times 7. Now we can consider here first equation, that is x minus y is equal to 7, and next one is x plus y is equal to 7. So here x plus y is equal to 7. Now when we are adding these two equations, we will get here x plus x, that is 2x, and here minus y plus y, it will become cancel, is equal to 7 plus 7, that is 14. Therefore x is equal to 14 by 2. 2 sevens are 14. Value of x is equal to 7. We got the value of x in case 1. Now for y, we have to solve for y. So if we are substituting this value x equal to 7 in this equation, so let's consider here x is equal to 7. So 7 minus y is equal to 7. Therefore 7 minus 7 is equal to y is equal to 0. So we got the value of x and y in case 1. X y is equal to, if x is 7, at that time value of y is 0. Now we have to solve for case 2. Now from case 2, we can say here x plus y times x minus y is equal to 1 times 49. 1 times 49. From here again we will get here two equations. First one is x plus y is equal to 1 and next one is x minus y is equal to 49. So first one is x plus y is equal to 1. Next one is x minus y is equal to 49. Now we have to add these two equations. So x plus x is, it will become 2x plus y minus y cancel, is equal to 49 plus 1, 50. X is equal to 50 by 2. 25 to the 50. X is equal to 25. Now we have to substitute this value of x any of this equation. So we are taking first one here, x is equal to, we can say x plus y is equal to 1. Now we have to substitute value of x is 25 here. So 25 plus y is equal to 1. Now y is equal to 1 minus 25. Y is equal to 24 minus 24. So we can say xy is equal to 25 and minus 24. But remember one thing, it is given in condition that is xy is greater than or equal to 0. So value of x and y is greater than or equal to 0. Here value of x is greater than 0, and here value of x is we can say y is less than 0, because this is minus value. So we have to reject this one, rejected, because this is negative value. Now we are taking case 3. X minus y times x plus y is equal to 49 times 1. Now x minus y is equal to 49, first equation. X minus y is equal to 49. Next one is x plus y is equal to 1. Now we have to add these two equation. X plus x, it will become 2x, minus y plus y cancel, and here 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. X is equal to 50 by 2, right? So here 25, value of x is equal to 25. Now we have to substitute this value any of this equation here. So we can write here x, first equation, that is x plus y is equal to 49. X plus y 9, here value of x is 25, this one. So 25 plus y is equal to 49. Therefore y is equal to 49 minus 25. Y is equal to, now 49 minus 25, it will become here 24. So we can say we got the value of x and y is equal to 25 and 24. In this way we got here total 3 solution of xy, but one is negative solution and 2 value is positive here. So first value, that is x is equal to 25 and y is equal to 0, and next case we can say value of x is equal to 25 and value of y is equal to 24. So we have these two solution here. X square minus y square is equal to 49. This is our question equation. So if we are taking, if xy is equal to, value of x is 7 and y is 0 according to case 1. If you are substituting this value here, so we will get here 7 square minus 0 square question mark 49. Now 7 square is 49 minus 0 question mark 49. 49 minus 0 is 49. So we can say 49 is equal to 49 here. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So value of xy is equal to 7 and 0. This is correct solution for this equation. Now we are taking second solution, that is x square minus y square is equal to 49. This is given question, and if xy is equal to 25 and 24, value of x is 25 and at the time value of y is 24. So we are taking this, and this number is here. So 25 square minus 24 square question mark here 49. Now 25 square is 625 minus 24 square is 576 question mark 49. 15 minus 6, it will become here. So it will become here 49. When we are subtracting this one, 49 is equal to 49. Therefore we can say here LHS is equal to RHS. So value of x and y is equal to 25 and 24. This is also correct solution for this equation. It is verified here. If you have any doubt, so you can comment me. Thank you for watching.